Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from CUBOT King Kong 7 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then you need to set it up. I will start with an Android. Tap on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select confirm, continue and allow. Now on King Kong 7, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, allow. Following that, you can tap on Not Now in New Updates pop-up. And then to save it, hit OK. Then click on Close in white pop-up at the top. And to get rid of Personalizations one right away, select History at the bottom of both devices. Now decide if you want to personalize your ad experience by tapping on one of those options. And wherever you decided, when you're done, click on Close this window. Then select Receive right next to History at the bottom of an Android and Send at the bottom left corner of King Kong 7. Also on CUBOT, you can use all of those categories available at the top and select all of your files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, you need to select Allow a couple of times. When you're done, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!